In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and installing any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When you're ready, exit Play Store and go into Settings. Then hit Apps. Scroll down to choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wish to apply as your new default one and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!